Hello, Billy the Artist here, just with a little update about the new drawing lesson that will be going live tomorrow, and that's Taylor Swift. Anyway, it's been great doing this drawing from a Folklore album, and it's a very soft drawing and it's all about tonal stuff, and we'll go over that in a second. But before we go any further, please do like and subscribe, tick the box to be notified when new how to draw lessons become available, and like I say, you will get more drawing lessons online. But this drawing, it's been a joy to do and it looks hard because it's so soft, and there's no, the highlight is here on her back and on the top of her hair, so we've got this kind of soft silhouette. But again, I use a new grid. Now again, I've changed over, so here we have this brand new grid. It's a 2 centimeter grid all the way over. Check the link. Excuse me, just coughing. Check the link in the cards and in the description for where you'll see me actually laying this grid down, and it's just easier to then to scale up or scale down. And I start in the corner, and it's a 2 centimeter grid. It's A4 paper, 21 by 29.7 centimeters, and you've got A to J, so there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 lines across, and you've got 14 lines down, and it's like playing battleships. So anyway, that's the grid that we use for this one. Unlike, and here we go, we shall, oh, he's just reaching over. So here we have, sorry, just got some dust on the picture, just blow it off. Ariana Grande, she was on the older grid, but Professor McGonagall was the first lesson that I did with this new grid. And you can see you get the same result. It's just easier to use this newer grid to sort everything out. But again, Ariana Grande and Taylor Swift and Billie Eilish and all the BTS guys, they are all on the How to Draw Portraits playlist, so please do check that out and share those out with your friends. Minerva McGonagall is on the Portraits playlist too, but there is the How to Draw Harry Potter playlist as well. Now, if you can hear the wind howling, it's very windy obviously outside, so especially for Minerva with the Harry Potter crew. But do check out the Harry Potter playlist, and there's lots of lessons on there, and I'm going to do more Harry Potter characters into the future. Now the thing is I also have to paint. I'm going to do as many how to draw lessons as I possibly can. Just keep doing them as regularly as I can, whether there's one a week or a couple a week, we shall wait and see. But I'll be doing that and posting the time lapses, and that's great. But on the just general how to draw playlist, there's well over 130, 140 lessons there, including time lapses and all kinds of things. So again, check everything out. Really appreciate your support, and have fun drawing Taylor. Take care. Ta-da.